Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Taylor. If you're new here, how you doing? Today is a video that I've never filmed before, but I've always thought of filming because getting ready for Halloween is so much fun. Halloween is so much fun. You get to dress up and do whatever you want. Today is the day of the 3rd annual Halloween party that my boyfriend and his roommates have at their house every year. This year I am being a space cowgirl, if you can't already tell by the title. Every year I usually come up with my own costume and buy a bunch of different pieces and put it together and make it my own. Last night I got home late from work and I decided to self-tan. I don't know if you can tell. And I also hit the gym. I got a quick party pump on before the craziness because honestly I had so much anxiety. So the gym definitely helped, got me sweating, and now I'm gonna start getting ready even though it's only 2:53 and the party doesn't start until 8:30, but I'm gonna show up pre-game, you know how it is. Yeah, I'm gonna shower, wash my hair, and we're gonna get started. Okay, it is literally 2 hours later and I watched YouTube videos for 2 hours after I showered and tried to let my hair air dry, even though I had to blow dry it because it literally will take 6 hours to air dry and we don't have that much time. So I know it's early and I really couldn't figure out if I wanted to do my hair or my makeup first, but honestly I don't know why, but I feel funny having like done hair without makeup on. It just doesn't make me feel good about myself. I'm gonna start with the makeup. Honestly, I have so much makeup to play with, which is great, but also really terrifying because I don't wear that much makeup anymore. I can't remember the last time I wore foundation, so this should be interesting. I might be showing every product that I'm using, but first I'm taking this foundation, the Makeup Forever HD foundation. I've honestly had this for a while. We'll see how it goes. I'm not kidding, like I haven't put foundation on in a hot minute because I really I used to wear so much foundation and now I can't stand having things on my face. But you know, since it's a party and since it's Halloween, I'm like, if it looks bad, like no one can make fun of me because I'm dressing up. Like I could just be like, oh, it's part of the costume, you know? Okay, so I just did my concealer and my foundation. My face is like really tan in person and it's pretty concerning. We're gonna move on. I have no idea what I'm gonna do for my makeup. Honestly, I had a couple ideas. I've had this Naked Urban Decay illuminating powder. It's so glittery. Like when I use this, there's sparkles and glitter everywhere. I also have this palette by Urban Decay. This is their electric palette, and I have a couple shades by Makeup Geek in a Z palette that I might use. I'm going for purples, silver, glitter, and I bought confetti. I'm gonna put a little bit of bronzer in my crease, and I don't know if I should use dark purple because that's a risk. No, I'm just gonna dive in. Okay, quick little update. I don't know how I feel about this. I'm kind of just throwing this together, but I blended my bronzer, Fairy Tale by SeatGeek, and this is ultimately where I'm getting this link look from. And this is Blackout, not Blacklight. Am I foreshadowing? Blacklight from SeatGeek, and that's kind of where my inspiration is at the moment. I got some purple. We're just gonna go with it. I feel like purple is the way to go. Like, it's not too much. I don't even know if I'm gonna end up touching this palette. I might not need to. But next I'm going to drop something on my lids, in the center of my lids, and honestly I'm thinking this is Zephyr from Urban Decay. It has a really nice like opaque but like shimmery finish. If you look at it, it has definitely a little bit of a shimmer. I'm gonna take that on my finger, pop it in the center on both eyes. We're gonna do a little bit more blending. I'm gonna do my mascara. Should I put eyeliner on? Like, A little. I'm gonna put a little eyeliner on once I'm done with my mascara. If anybody knows me, I have the most stubborn eyelashes. So I have to curl them, put mascara on, this waterproof mascara, and then I might, if I'm feeling a little risque, I might put on some falsies because I never wear falsies. Mostly because I don't like the way they feel, but it's Halloween and I feel like this is the time to do it, you know? So I'm gonna do this. Rise and shine. I decided that the fake lashes were a no-go. Mostly because I don't have the patience to put them on, so I just put a ton of mascara on. I really just put a ton of mascara on instead. If you guys want to see an eyelash routine, there is one on my channel, but I should do an updated one. Some mascara on my eyelid per usual. This is a ton of mascara, but honestly I'm happy with it. They'll hold up better than fake lashes would, because my fake lashes tend to fall off early in the night whenever I wear them, mostly because I want to pull them off. So next, I'm just gonna do my classic, just like pinched that part of my finger in there. I'm gonna do what I always do. I don't ever do a full wing liner, like, because my eyes are hooded. If I did a black line, like, that's all you'd see. So I literally just take my eyeliner and I do a little wing on the end and cut. That's literally all I do. And I kind of take it up a little bit. I have so much eyeshadow on that putting liquid liner, it's like basically running out. This is the Kat Von D tattoo liner, I believe, the one with the little hairs on the end. As you can see, mine is definitely on its last strand because the hair or whatever, it's falling off. It's just falling apart. I honestly forgot to put bronzer on. I'm gonna attempt to contour my face. I love this Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I got it from TJ Maxx. Sorry for the non-updating. I just had to eat dinner and I did my hair. I did 2 little braids. I attempted to. And I waved my hair, which I haven't done in years. And honestly, I'm living for it. I have to kind of hurry up because it's already 6:20 and I have to be there for 7. Next, I'm gonna put this powder all underneath and on my highlight, but mostly here, and then tried to glue confetti on my face with eyelash glue. So I'm gonna try to do this on camera, and if I can't do it on camera, then okay, yeah, we're getting somewhere. I'm going to take a little bit of this and put it underneath my brow arch. Then, since I love this purple shade so much, I'm gonna take the Blacklight Purple by Makeup Geek and kind of add it to underneath. I don't know how this is gonna come out. It doesn't look that good. It doesn't look that good, but you know what? We're just playing with makeup at this point. In person, it's not looking too hot. I'm like rushing and it's not helping. So this next step I'm probably not going to be able to film because it's going to take me forever. I'm going to be gluing. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh my god, my hand is literally shaking so much. But these stars, those are going to be going underneath my eyes. I'm going to try to do a cool, good job. I never fail to mess up. This is going to take me forever. Maybe not. That one just went on really smoothly, so... Okay, we are rocking and rolling here. Alright, I'm getting ahead of myself, but I've put gems on my face before with this eyelash glue and it lasted through an entire concert. So I'm really hoping these last throughout the crazy night. That took me forever and I really don't know if I love it. It'll grow on me. I didn't do the same amount on each eye. I don't know if I should do like more here. I feel like it looks good because I feel like I look like I'm from space. It looks good from a distance. It was a learning process, but I put a dot of glue in the spot that I wanted and then somehow the star was sticking to the tip of this and then I just plopped it on. I think I like it. I think we're ready to go. Really quick, where my outfit's from because I'm probably gonna have someone film it for me once I get there because I don't want to walk around in it. right away, but the top and the pants are from I Heart Raves, and the Cowgirl hat is from Amazon, the goggles are from Amazon, and then my bra that you may or may not be able to see, I haven't decided yet, that is from Victoria's Secret, and I'm just wearing classic white Vans slip-on shoes because they're probably gonna get ruined anyways. So yeah, this is the look. I'm also gonna wear some clear gloss from Buxom after I brush my teeth. Okay. This is my costume. I already told you guys where I got it all from. I'm really liking it. It's comfy. And I'm probably gonna end up wearing the hat around my shoulders like this because I don't really like how I look in the hat. So this is it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe. I also have an Instagram, which you'll probably see pictures of my Halloween outfit on. It is at simplytaylorb. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.